The increasing dependence on the internet has catalyzed the rise of artificial intelligence, bringing forth capabilities that surpass traditional online functions. This evolution marks a pivotal moment for future developments. Recent studies reveal that AI systems such as ChatGPT demonstrate IQ levels significantly exceeding the average human, showcasing rapid advancements in AI intelligence and functionality. This surge prompts concerns regarding job security for the human workforce. Organizations like the World Economic Forum forecast that up to 90 million jobs may be displaced in the coming years due to these AI advancements. Consequently, there is an urgent need for workers to adapt and seek new employment avenues. AI now possesses the ability to generate written content, tackle intricate math and physics problems, and even offer legal counsel, outshining many professionals in these fields. This progression underscores the expanding capabilities of AI. In the art sector, challenges emerge as AI can produce images at remarkable speeds, leading to a decline in demand for traditional artists. This technology is capable of rendering intricate visuals within seconds. Companies are increasingly utilizing AI for advertising purposes, resulting in a notable decrease in the value of creative advertising professionals. AI's ability to generate innovative ideas and content more efficiently reshapes the landscape. AI significantly reduces advertising expenses, streamlining processes and lowering costs. This transformation empowers businesses to allocate resources more effectively and engage broader audiences. Within the banking sector, AI is deployed to identify money laundering activities, offering faster and more accurate analyses compared to traditional methods. This implementation markedly cuts down time and labor costs. The emergence of AI presents a challenge to conventional writing jobs, with many Hollywood scripts increasingly being crafted with AI assistance. Such changes spark concerns among writers regarding their job security. Many prominent companies, including Dropbox, are reducing their workforce to redirect resources towards AI development. This trend reflects a broader corporate strategy aimed at optimizing costs while harnessing AI. As AI technology matures, it tends to produce more errors, highlighting the necessity for human intervention to address these inaccuracies. This reality illustrates the enduring importance of human expertise in AI operations. Despite concerns about widespread unemployment, AI does not necessarily eradicate all jobs. Rather, it reshapes the employment landscape, necessitating new skill sets and generating opportunities in emerging sectors. Individuals now favor swift responses from AI over spending extensive time researching various sources. This convenience fosters an increasing reliance on AI for information gathering. AI's capability to manipulate images raises significant concerns about trust in media outlets. Many sophisticated AI-generated images are nearly indistinguishable from authentic photographs. Industry experts in AI stress the importance of skepticism regarding the information we consume. They encourage questioning the authenticity of images, videos, and written narratives. A noteworthy case involves an AI influencer created by a man, provoking discussions about authenticity in social media. This instance underscores the potential for manipulation in our digital age. In biological research, AI has significantly assisted scientists in identifying over 200 million proteins. This breakthrough could prove vital for the development of treatments for various diseases. AI also offers valuable insights into financial markets for traders, though it does not provide direct buy or sell recommendations. Instead, it empowers users to make informed decisions based on market data.